Hey, welcome, good morning, and namaste. This is Sam here. Welcome to my podcast called Weekend Ecom. Uh, Today, I'm gonna talk about different available e-commerce platform and which help you to make your decision is very easy to find out which one best for your business need. Hey, buddy, why your face, by the way, looks like down? Um, did you get any problem with your boss? No, your husband or wife is screaming on you? No, you got a serious problem with your girlfriend or boyfriend? Come on, man, it's Friday, You know, let's just chill, and have some fun. Yeah, I'm just joking. So, I'm super excited to talk about different platform and how it's going to help you with make a better decision. Before we deep dive into that, myself is Sam. You can call me Sagar. I'm a full stack developer. I have been in e-commerce industry since 2012 and got a chance to work with small, mid, and large enterprise-based clients across the US, UK, and Australia, and that's allow me to learn immense amount of e-commerce web shop development experience. And based on that experience and what we have today available in the market, I'm gonna put few options for you. So if you are you know willing to start your own e-commerce business, you want to sell, uh, or you are already selling on something but you got some pinpoint, and you already are well-known brands, right? But you want to looking for next scale. So we're gonna talk about all those suitable platform which is currently available in the market. And so I'm gonna start with few platform, uh, what they are offering today, whether they are open source platform or any cloud based, uh, the cost versus different platform, their marketing and SEO capability, what will be the inbuilt features. We are not gonna deep dive into that, but we will just discuss generally. And what are the possibility to customize based on your custom business model, and what will be the scalability, security, stuff like that. And end of the session, I'm gonna make you some decision, um, by which you can decide. And if that will not be enough, you can just shoot me an email, which you can find below in the comment. Yeah, so let's start with the uh, current top notch e-commerce platform. um, so I'm gonna pick three platform which is booming today as per today's e-commerce industry trend. The first one is the WordPress, the second one is the Shopify, and the third one is the Magento. So let me give you a quick intro about the platform. The WooCom is built on top of WordPress, and WordPress is widely used for blog. But you can, let's suppose you are a doctor, you are writing a blog, but now you want to sell, some of product, right? So you can inject a WooCom platform on top of your blog website, and since you already visitor on your website, you can sell medication to the already built traffic, right? While uh, WordPress is good for us, start business. If you are already a brand and you want some sort of more visibility, then there is a Shopify in place. Shopify is a hosted solution with limited customization. They got bunch of apps on the App Store that you can utilize to make your website as intuitive and today's trend customer experience. Top of that, there is a you know Magento e-commerce platform, which is again available in two forms. One is the open source platform and one is the cloud platform. So let's suppose you are middle sized business and you want some sort of customizability, and you have easily access to in-house team, or maybe bunch of freelancer, or maybe a mid-sized agency that can help you to grow to the next level, then open source is good for you. It's allow highly customizable possibility, and Magento is specially designed for the large scale business. The Adobe done the acquisition for Magento. So now, if you're looking for hosted solution, 24 hours resource availability, load balancing, and many other stuff, then the enterprise solution best suit for you. But it again depends on in which scale your business is currently. All right. So in terms of cost comparison, WordPress and Magento both comes as a free, I mean open source solution. So you don't require to pay anything in order to start with that. Uh, if 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 I'm talk about Magento, then you can break down uh, your hosting cost, your the features or theme that you want to use. There are a lot of themes available out there. You can just purchase one of them for initial startup, and you can also hire some freelancer or agency to do scratch development, or just customize anything within that those purchased plugin or themes. So WooCommerce is again provide comfortability to customize. So in terms of cost, there is a free theme available, free apps available. So based on your need, I mean business need, you can decide which are the good for you. There are many plugins and theme available with the advanced features. So if you are just starting your ecom business, then I would recommend WordPress is good. In terms of price selection, where Shopify sits between the Magento and the WordPress. uh, Shopify comes into like three or four plans, like a basic Shopify, Shopify Plus, and also like Shopify Enterprise, something like that. Shopify is, as I said, that Shopify working totally on subscription model. There is a transaction fees involved, and as you start adding, apps on your Shopify store, the costing start increasing, because each and every third party apps, majority of the third party apps are subscription model. By subscription means you have to pay monthly basis fees, while if we compare Shopify and WordPress, it doesn't require anything like a monthly fees. It's just like one time purchase, and that's all. Now if we go one step top, Let's talk about Magento. Magento is coming in two form: open source and also enterprise level pricing. If you go with the Magento open source, then you have to do the self hosting and it involves costing. While if you go with the Adobe Commerce, then it's hosted plan. So everything you will get within the Adobe Commerce, yearly or 6 monthly, tire prices. So there are various tire prices available for Adobe Commerce, but it depends which plan you are going to choose. So by saying the cost comparison, your budget will determine whether you need turnkey solution like Shopify, or you are more looking for a scalable platform like Magento and WordPress, because Shopify is again a closed platform where there is a less possibility for the customization. All right. In terms of easiness to use, Shopify is very lightweight and intuitive interface. There are a lot of features available as a drag and drop features. It's as a business owner, it just require a less learning curve, and I believe that it's very suitable for beginners. If you don't want to hire a developer, you don't want to keep any agency with you, but the cost is that you will always trap within the limited customization, right? Uh, while if we talk about the WordPress, it's require modern learning curve required to set up a WooCommerce, and based on your customization need, either you have to learn WordPress and WooCommerce by yourself, or you can hire a bunch of freelancer on different freelance platform, or you can find a local good developers. The Magento require in-depth steeper learning curve, best suitable for the business with you know if you have easy access to in-house developers, or maybe highly qualified technical team, or highly qualified agency, which you know understand the core component of Magento and how to extend those components based on your business model, then the Magento is very good for you. So being said that, if you are just starting, Shopify might be your best bet, while Magento and WordPress cater more to those comfortable with some potential complexity. Uh, let's go down in terms of customization and features. Magento, that there is no other e-commerce available in the market which compare with the Magento solution. There is a endless solution. Let's suppose uh, you got t-shirt branch, uh, while if I talk with the Shopify, you can upload the t-shirt pictures. If I will talk about the WordPress, then you can upload the pictures, right? Both allow Shopify and the WordPress for the product images. Now you want some sort of customization that the customer should upload the logo images to print on a t-shirt. While if I'm talking about Magento and WordPress, there is a possibility for the customization, while there are many hiccups with the Shopify. So if your business is more like require a lot of customization, then the Magento is best fit for that. And the reason is that, let's suppose you are selling in different region. Let's suppose you are in a UK, right? and you want to sell your product to France, to Denmark, to Ireland, then you can easily create country specific website. And also you can create language specific catalog, which is like you know almost impossible with the Shopify and WordPress. With the WordPress, there are few extents available, but they are not able to match with bit uh, with the Magento, because Magento got a vast inventory management system, multi-language capability, multi-website capability. So by website you can have website wise catalog, website wise uh, website specific catalog. You can have website specific prices, and there are a bunch of features available. You can just uh, do a googling, or maybe in upcoming podcast I'm going to talk about in detail the what are the features that Magento is offering. So it will help you to make a better decision. While Shopify offer a wide range of themes and apps, but with the limitation in deep customization without the coding. And every time you want to add something as a features, you need to purchase something on the from the app store, right? And these are all the recurring fees. So initially it's become very cheap, but as you start realizing that you need more kind of customization, then you have to start purchasing all those. While WordPress is highly customizable with theme and plugin, but it it can become a complex to manage. As I said, that if you want to sell your website on a different country with the different languages, right? Then in those scenario, those becomes very difficult. Let's suppose each country specific, you want some sort of enterprise ERP system, and the data communication between ERP system and WordPress database is very difficult. While if we talk about the Magento, then there are many REST API available, which is make it easy. And also as a developer, your in-house team or your freelancer can easily you know write a code to grab the data in the form they want. Yeah. So in terms of customization and features, Magento win over the WordPress and Shopify. Now let me talk about a little bit of regarding the security. So Magento does provide highest level of security. Adobe on time being, Adobe regularly release the security patches. So for if you are on Commerce Adobe Adobe Commerce plan, then whole security responsibility on the hand of Adobe team itself. They are regularly patch your store. But if you are on the open source, then they also release for community. And when they release security patch, you can either patch as a separate patch, or you can do as a whole version upgrade. While Shopify, as I said, that the Shopify is the hosted platform, so everything regarding the security, they are on the shoulder of Shopify. And again, as I said, that they very close platform, I mean, with a limited amount of customization. So majority of the things remains secure with the Shopify. While WordPress is very vulnerable to security, because majority of the themes and apps available in the market as a freeware, and when the code standard is not very high, it's very vulnerable for the hack. you know. So in terms of security, Magento and Shopify win over the WordPress. Now let's talk about the scalability and a performance. uh, Magento is very ideal platform when you are getting thousand of requests, you know. If you got a larger number of catalog, you require, totally custom build solution, and require, a lot of technical resource. Then Magento is best in terms of scalability and performance, while Shopify can scale easily your business but might become costly for large enterprise. So let's say, for example, if you are selling, you know, medicine, yeah. I'm just taking an example. You are selling a medicine on Shopify. Now you want, integration with the, let's say, Udo ERP system, right? So your catalog will be handled, your customer will be, sync with your order data, will be sync with, in the ERP system. So these requires, larger number of customization. And since I said that Shopify doesn't allow that level of customizable possibility, so in terms of scalability, Shopify, little bit down versus Magento and WordPress. In terms of performance, I didn't see any issue with the performance bottleneck, because it's, again, hosted platform, so majority of the responsibility on the sort of hosted team. While WordPress, you know, you can scale, you can have a if you have proper, hosting, support, with proper, optimize, uh, server, then WordPress is good. And I don't see face any kind of scalability issue. But the major challenge with the, WordPress is that majority of the data, handled through the single, uh, I mean, few tables, and that, cause a lot of problem when you require data to be in particular scatter form, which can, like, let's suppose, very easy to reproduce the report system, right? So there are a lot of complexity involved for the scalability uh, to the WordPress. But let's suppose if you got products less than 2 to 300s, and you don't require, very fancy customization, I mean low level customization, then WordPress is good for you. Now if we talk about the SEO and marketing features, then WordPress is win over the Shopify and the Magento. The reason is that the WordPress provide a solid solution for the SEO flexibility, and there are, plugins available like Yoast and Rank Maths, which you can easily access. They are, available as a free version, and you can also, purchase as a paid. By doing that, you will get, advanced features. Shopify is great for the beginner with built-in SEO tool, but less customizable than the WordPress, because you can purchase, for WordPress, either you can purchase free or paid version on WordPress, plugin like Yoast and Rank Maths, and based on your requirement, you can easily customize those plugin. But that is, very difficult with the Shopify. While Magento does provide, possibility and capability for the SEO optimization and marketing, but it does require, in-depth technical understanding, about how the Magento core component is working, and based on that, you your team can either create custom plugin, or maybe utilize industry ready apps from the Adobe Cloud, Adobe Store, and from respective third party vendors. Now, if we talk about the community and support, Shopify got uh, you know 20 by 7 support, and they got vast majority of the app built on their app store, so it's easy to purchase, and you will get your answer whenever you require to the Shopify 25 or 25 4 by 7 support, while WordPress is largely handled through the community developers. So you will get a lot of supports, but they don't have a centralized support system, while Magento developer community and Adobe support available for the enterprise level. So it's very depends, based on whether you are on the Adobe enterprise, then you will get direct support from them, and if you are on community version, then you will get a lot of support from the community developer. You can ask bunch of things on the Stack Overflow, on their Magento GitHub directory. So yeah, and there are a lot of community group out there. They can help you with technical aspects. So based on the discussion so far, like a platform, cost, SEO, security, customizable possibility, scalability, and performance. I'm gonna give you some few recaps that if you are mid-size or well-known brand, and you got enough budget, right? Then Magento, either open source or Adobe Cloud, is best decision for you. If you are just startup brand, and you don't want to have your technical team, you don't want to manage serve by yourself, so here the Shopify is the middle solution for that. Like, they come up with the different pricing model. You can choose based on your business, like a starting Shopify or Shopify Plus. In Shopify Plus, they does allow some component to be customized, like checkout customization and stuff like that. While WordPress, as I said, that WordPress is good with the lower catalog size, and it's a little bit difficult to customize when you become bigger brand, because then as you become a bigger brand, your data becomes more crucial, and every time your entire team uh, needs to have a data in proper format and availability, and stuff like that. So if you are on a WordPress, you are well-known brand, then managing data is very difficult. And also, as I said, that WordPress is easy to vulnerable, so it's your responsibility as a store owner to protect the customer data. So yeah, if you have a good team in place, and if you don't have too many customization and middle and mid-size of customization, then WordPress is good for you. I hope that this will help you to make a little bit understanding about the different platform that we discussed today. And if you want to explore any of these platform, and if you got any question, then just shoot me an email, and I'm happy to talk. Just don't hesitate. I do not bite. And if you like this video, then just hit the subscribe. And next week I'm gonna come up with the few e-commerce plugin which is beneficial if you are thinking about to go with the WordPress. So yeah, have a nice day and nice weekend ahead, and let's touch base in the next week. Bye for now. Have a chill.